Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, Math, Exercise 4.1, Math number 3. Find the product by applying formula. Simply we have to do the simplification, or we have to do the multiplication and find the product. But we have to use the formula. Let's see what formula we can use here for alpha. For A, for serial A, x plus 7 into x minus 7. It looks like A plus B, A minus B formula. Let's write the formula. A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. This is one formula, and the other formula let's do the B, 5x plus 13, 5x minus 13, A plus B, A minus B, pretty simple. xy plus yz, xy minus yz. It's also we can here also we can apply A plus B, A minus B and simplify, and then we get the product. D, ax plus b, ax minus b. This formula we can apply here. A square minus b square, it should be A plus b into A minus b, A plus b into A minus b. Okay. E, A plus 3, A plus 4. This is not A plus 3 and A minus 3. If it was A plus 3, A minus 3, we could apply formula A plus B, A minus B. So now we have to apply different formula. We know a formula x plus A into x minus x plus B equals to x square plus A plus B x plus AB. So x plus A, x plus B. A is different from B. Here, this is the one, looks like x plus A and x plus B. So F, ax plus 3, ax plus 4. This is also for the second formula. 6x plus 17, 6x minus 13. The second one, the second formula, except x plus A, x plus B. H, A square plus B square into A square minus B square. If we apply the formula A plus B, A minus B, we get A to the power 4 minus B to the power 4, and then again A4 plus B4. So only the first formula we can apply here, A plus B, A minus B. For I, AX minus BY plus CZ, I think this is A plus B, A minus B. J, this is a different value, 10 and 5 is different, so it should be x plus A, x plus B. K, 5A plus 2B minus 3C, 5A plus 2B plus 3C. This is A plus B, A minus B. This is 5 and this is 3. So this is x plus A, this is x plus B. Okay, let's mark there are A from A to L. There are a couple of maths here, but I won't do all. I will do 3, 4. Let me do the first one, and let me do the marking first. Which one we can apply? A square, A plus B, A minus B. This one, A plus B, A minus B, 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 A plus B, no, x plus A, x plus B, because value is different. Okay, this is hash. Value is different. This is hash. Value different. This should be hash. This is a square minus b square, this is tick. A square minus a plus b a minus b, this is tick. This is hash. This is tick, means a plus b a minus b. This is 5 and this is 3, the different value. So this should be x, a plus x plus a, x plus b, means hash. Okay, now let's start with a. I will use white chalk. A, serial A, x plus 7 into x minus 7 equals to a square minus b square, means x square minus 7 square, equals to x square minus 49 is the answer. X square minus 49. Next I will do this. Pretty easy. I think you can do it. I will do h. H looks a bit different because there are 3 parts: a square b plus b square, a square minus b square, and then a4 plus b4. Okay, h. A square plus b square into a square minus b square into a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equals to, we do first these two multiplication, a square plus b square into a square minus b square. So this is a plus b, this is a minus b, means a square whole square minus, here b is b square and b square, so minus b square means b means b square and whole square. So put a second bracket and then a4 plus b4, a4 plus b4, b to the power 4. Okay, equals to a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Now again, if a4 is a, b4 is b, then a minus b, and this is a plus b, means a square minus b square, a4 whole square minus b to the power 4 whole square equals to a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. How? a4 into a4, 4 and 4 8, or 4 into 2 is 8, either way. So a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. This is the answer. Answer: a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. Okay, now we start from, we do the next one, h, and then I would like to do the I. You see here I marked this tick. So this is again a plus b, a minus b. Okay, let's do it. Ax plus minus by plus cz into ax plus by minus cz equals to, it doesn't look like a plus b, a minus b, but we have to make it looks like a plus b, a minus b. How we do that? Okay, if ax plus cz ax plus cz minus by. Okay, ax plus cz minus by, and put a second bracket here. Now it looks like a plus b. And then the next part, ax minus by cz minus by. If you see here, ax minus, if we take the first bracket off, then it is minus cz. Here this was minus cz, and minus into minus means plus by, and here it was plus by, and ax is ax. So value doesn't change, but the format changes. Now it looks like a minus b, and this looks like a plus b, and we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. Okay, ax, this is a square means ax whole square minus b means cz minus by whole square equals to a square minus b square. So equals to a plus b into a minus b. Ax whole square means a square x square minus b square means cz whole square minus 2ab means 2 into cz into by plus by square equals to a square x square minus c square z square minus and minus plus 2 b c yz, and minus and plus minus b square y square. This is the answer. A square x square minus c square z square plus 2 bc yz minus b square y square. Okay, I is done. Now J looks like 3, it is x plus a and x plus b. Okay, let's do J. 3a minus 10 into 3a minus 5 equals to, if we want to change it to look like x plus a and x plus b, then this is x plus b, and this one should look like x plus a. What we can do? We place the plus and then we see what we can do. 3a plus, we need this plus because the formula says this is plus x plus a, so we make it x plus a. This is 3a and plus, and then what we have to do, put the minus inside bracket. This is 10. Okay, it should be second bracket, because if we use first bracket, then we have to, the next one should be second bracket, and this is second bracket. Similarly, 3a plus, and put the minus 5 inside first bracket. Done. This is second bracket, equals to x square means 3a whole square plus a plus b minus 10 minus 5, a plus b into x, x means 3a, then plus ab, a means 3a and b means, a means minus 10 actually, so let's get rid of 3a, so it should be minus 10 into minus 5 equals to 3a whole square means 9a square, 9a square plus minus 10 and minus 5 is minus 15. 3 into minus 15 is minus 45. Minus 45a plus minus 10 into minus 5 means plus 50. This is the answer. So answer is 9a square minus 45a plus 50, 50. The next one we can try, this is k. Looks like if 5a plus 2b, if this one is a, if we put this is a and this is a, then a plus b and this is a minus b. Pretty simple. Then a square minus b square. If we apply a square minus b square, we get the result. And next one, L, ax plus by plus 5, ax plus by plus 3. This is different value, 5 and 3. So it should be x plus a and x plus b. L, ax plus by plus 5 into ax plus by plus 3 equals to, it should look like x plus a and x plus b. So what we can do is ax plus by, this is x and a is 5, so it is x plus a, and what x plus b is ax plus by, this is x plus b is 3, and we know the formula, x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So I think you can do it. I won't do it here because there is not much space left. Thank you very much. Please write in the comment box if you have any problem understanding the math. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.